Imagine making money while you're literally fast asleep. No annoying boss breathing down your neck, no punching a clock, just straight up cash hitting your account. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Future Money Lab. Look, the hustle culture in the US is shifting big time, and honestly, anyone can start stacking dollars from home. Today, we're breaking down 5 lazy ways to make passive income in the USA, and the last one is really good, so watch till the end. No tech genius skills required, I promise. Let's dive straight into it. Number 1, high-yield savings accounts. If your hard-earned cash is just sitting in a regular old checking account, you're basically letting inflation burn a hole in your pocket. Major players like Ali or Marcus offer high-yield accounts that actually pay you to just leave your money there. You just park your cash, let it sit, and watch it grow on autopilot. It's hands down the safest, laziest way to get your feet wet. This way, your money stays safe while continuing to grow. Now let's check out the next strategy. Number 2, flipping digital products on Etsy. You don't have to deal with shipping, packing, or any of that headache. Just use free tools to whip up digital planners, trendy wall art, or simple budget trackers and throw them up on Etsy. Once they're live, Americans buy them 24/7 while you're out living your life, and you keep pocketing the profit forever. Create it once in Canva, then sell it over and over on Etsy. Let's move on to the next strategy. Number 3, print on demand. This one is a total game changer. Websites like Redbubble or Printify literally do all the heavy lifting for you. You just slap a funny or simple text design onto a t-shirt virtual mock-up. When a customer buys it, the company prints it, packages it, and ships it out. You get a clean cut of the profit without ever touching a single piece of fabric. Design it in Canva, upload it to Printify or Redbubble, and get paid every time it sells. That's print on demand. You design it, the company handles the rest. Let's take a look at the next strategy. Number 4, faceless YouTube channels. Yup, exactly like the channel you're watching right now. You can easily piece together videos using free footage and simple tools. Pick a cool niche, drop in some good visuals, and hit upload. The US audience brings in the absolute highest ad payouts on the internet. It takes some consistency, but eventually it turns into a total money machine. Start a faceless channel, stay consistent, and get paid once you're monetized. The last strategy is the easiest and most beginner-friendly. Let's check it out. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Every like and share helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to make more videos like this. Let's get started. Number 5, Amazon affiliate marketing. Let's be real, Americans shop on Amazon pretty much every single second. All you gotta do is grab links for cool, useful products and share them on places like Pinterest or your own blog. When people click and buy, Amazon slides you a sweet percentage of the sale. It costs absolutely $0 to start. So, which of these side hustles are you trying out first? Drop a comment down below and let me know. If this video gave you some value, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel Future Money Lab for more wealth building secrets. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll see you in the next one.